Alright. 06 Toyota Tundra. We're gonna be doing the door hinges. Check this out. That's not bad. Okay, we got the new one. Okay, had a pressure. Nothing. These are gonna be the new ones. Alright, let's get it on. Let's get going. Alright, the new hinges are on. Let me see if I can show them to you guys. Right here. Black ones. So your easiest way of access is doing that and getting into the back. So back here, you got that bolt right there, and then you got the other ones up here. It's gonna be quite uncomfortable and stuff, but definitely right there. You see it? Definitely beats trying to hold the door and do it at the same time as they're uneven. So don't want to fight it. When you switch the hinges to the new ones, don't tighten the hinges from this back part to the frame all the way, because if you do, it's gonna be it's gonna be not aligned properly. And you're gonna have a pain in the ass situation to get those bolts on the door to go in. So leave them loose, that way you can mess around with them and fiddle them so that they can go in straight on the door. And then once you get the door ones tightened, then you can come over here and tighten these. Alright, and that's pretty much it after that. Our fender bolts. Cool. So that one is all done. I'm gonna put these last little bolts in, and that's pretty much it. Now we say mark your bolts and stuff. Not 100% sure if the customer would like it on this one. But it shall be done. Make sure you press that gummy back in there, right? Mine popped out. This is waterproof, weatherproof pretty much. So pop it back in there. If not, when it rains, you know, you can get water in there. You're gonna have electrical problems, all because you didn't put that. And don't forget to put in the pop that goes right there. I'm gonna go get one right now.